Hello everyone, this is Mike. I just thought I'd share this quick thing with you. I'm working again, and of course, as you can see in the lights, I'm working in another snowstorm. This one was worse than the last one. I'm just going to walk around here for a little bit so I can kind of give you the idea as to how much is actually down. Quite a bit, still a lot on the roads. I haven't quite got all the plows out yet, although they were all expecting it. Just going to zoom in here, hopefully be able to see. There's a guy off in the distance there, just at the Amera Oval that I had on one of my videos. That is snow blowing the snow away from where people would sit to put their skates on. This whole area you could not see at all earlier because the wind was blowing so hard, and with the snow you couldn't see anything. Starting to clear up a bit because the wind died down quite a bit. Just a bunch of cars just went by, so I didn't talk. But yeah, that was my bus, just in case anybody was wondering. And there's one of the snow plows. I spent a good many times clearing off that skating facility they have there now. There's a little tractor with a plow on it that does the sidewalks, just like the one that I'm kind of walking on that's already been done. So, just to give you an idea as to what the weather is like here in the winter sometimes, but it's usually this, not in November, December. It's usually this month, next month, February and March, that we get all kinds of snow. But it's really coming down pretty good. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this quick, short video, just to let you see what bus operators, or bus drivers as you call them, have to work through. Anyway, folks, that's all for me. You folks have a great night, and I will talk to you another time. Thank you very much. Bye all.